This is RubberForm's Trackout control mat, which is this easiest Trackout control mat system to install. And by the time I'm finished with this video, it will probably be finished being laid out and ready for use. The traditional and outdated method of Trackout control would be excavating 6 inches using rock or other plate-style methods that don't do a great job of maintaining the mat, as they'll get caked up, clogged up, and have costly time and labor maintaining the mat. As you can see, all you have to do is lift RubberForm solution up, lay it down, and you're ready to get to work. The RubberForm Trackout control mat is going to be different than any other manufactured mat on the market. The reason being is every other manufactured mat that you'll see on the market is going to be a plastic sheet or a panel plate style type mat that is going to require hardware kits, brackets, anchors, and a special accessory to maintain them. Whereas a RubberForm Trackout control mat, as you can see, there's no bottom to it. So when you lift up our mat to lay it out, you won't need to bolt it down, use brackets to connect one to another. You can go one in front of the other, side by side, and it's fully maintainable as well. Replacement parts, blocks, cables, all able to be pieced back together should anything happen to it. And the other nice feature of ours is it's never going to cake up or clog up on you. It's never going to get covered like a plastic sheet will. A lot of times our customers will come to us because they're sick of maintaining a plastic sheet, whereas with ours, lift it up, lay it down to install, lift it up, lay it down to maintain it.
These Trackout mats help knock off all the dirt and sediment that's on truck tires in construction sites. We want to try to keep that stuff off the road because that is what's eroding our drainage system in America. Other people are using crushed stone or our competitor's solution, which is separate mats that need to be bolted and staked down. And when those get muddy or dirty, there's a lot of weight on top of them. It makes it very difficult to clean them. This big bump allows to really kind of compress and, we say deform the tire if any rocks are stuck within, say, the tread of a tire of a big truck. We ship them right to a construction site. All you need is a front loader to pick them right off the pallet and lay them down. They're ready to use. No install needed. It works. It gets the mud off the tires. If you need to clean them, all you need to do is pick them up, hose them down, lay them back down.
3 reasons why stone construction entrances and exits are a pain. 1, they're guaranteed to take forever to install. 2, they're guaranteed to be a nightmare to maintain. You might even have to add more stone. And 3, you're guaranteed to have a mess to clean up at the end of every single job. And that's why one of our most commonly ordered solutions is our Trackout control mat. No calling 811, no hardware kits, no anchors, no brackets, no special accessories to clean. No getting clogged up, no getting caked up or covered up with stone or other debris. Everything that we manufacture is going to be made from recycled materials. Everything that we source is recycled material from the United States, manufactured in the United States. So that means that we're going to be clearing up our own backyard using materials that may have just been thrown away. People think they may not have another purpose. RubberForm is always finding new ways to use recycled materials found in the United States to manufacture what you see here today. Our solutions don't have any toxic materials that's built into it. A lot of binders that competitors will use do have some toxic materials in them. RubberForm, everything that we manufacture, everything that we source is recycled, clean, and safe to use on your job site.